Rich with spices, this protein-rich plant-based patty makes any burger situation absolutely packed with flavor and satisfaction. We'll start by chopping up some red onion, as well as mincing some fresh garlic cloves. We'll heat up a little olive oil in a non-stick pan and add the onions first, sautéing until softened. And then add the garlic, stirring it in for just a minute longer. And we'll add some fresh organic corn kernels too. Fresh or frozen is fine, and sauté them for just a couple more minutes before removing the mixture from the heat and letting it cool. Next, to a food processor, add ground flaxseed powder, rolled oats, miso paste, and pepitas, which are shelled pumpkin seeds. We'll add CHAGA mushroom powder as an optional superfood boost, some chili powder, dried oregano, chipotle powder, cumin, paprika, and some salt and pepper. Now we can add half of the cooked vegetables and some cooked beans, and process this into a chunky but malleable mixture. Last, we'll add the rest of the cooked vegetables, additional beans, and some cooked quinoa, and briefly process them using the pulse feature just to incorporate while leaving plenty of texture. To make each of the patties, scoop about 1/3 cup, form it into a ball, and flatten it into a patty shape by hand. Before cooking, brush the surface with olive oil and season it lightly with salt and pepper. Then repeat on the other side. Drizzle a little oil into a non-stick skillet over medium-low heat and add the prepared burger patty. Cook each side for a few minutes until slightly browned. Add the patty to a bun packed with all the best trimmings, and enjoy. Get the full recipe, cooking tips, and so much more at luminberry.com. And if you love this video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel to get all the latest on cooking with superfoods.